In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fields require in Jira using two methods. Whether you're a project manager or part of a development team, knowing how to set mandatory fields in Jira can help ensure that all essential information is captured before a task progresses. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. To start, you'll first need to navigate to the Atlassian homepage, which is where all your Jira activities can be managed. Once there, you'll find the option to sign in. Click on that and fill in your credentials if prompted. Now that you're logged in, head over to Jira Home. This is your dashboard's main hub where you can see all your current projects, tasks, and notifications. When you arrive, select a project that you want to apply our changes to. With your project portal open, focus on selecting a specific task within this board. Choose any task, but ensure it's one where you foresee the need to enforce fields as mandatory. In the Tasks interface, you'll spot a three-dot icon, usually located in the upper right corner. This icon is your gateway to additional options. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the Manage Workflow option. Now that you're within the Workflow Management page, you'll be making changes to how tasks are processed. Look for the Add Rule option, typically placed prominently on this screen. By clicking on it, you're beginning the process of setting up requirements for your fields. The next step involves adding what's known as a validator. A validator in Jira serves as a checkpoint within your workflow. It ensures that specific conditions are met before a transition can occur. After choosing to add a validator, you'll need to configure it to check for mandatory fields. There might be several settings here, but your focus should be on the fields you want to require and the conditions under which these should be enforced. Once all necessary settings are configured, save your changes and exit back to your project board. It's always a good idea to test these settings to ensure everything functions as expected by attempting to transition a task without filling in the mandatory fields. This will confirm that your validator is effectively blocking advances until all necessary information has been provided. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to make fields mandatory within Jira, helping to streamline your workflow and ensuring no critical details are left out. Implementing these methods can significantly enhance project management efficiency. Thank you for joining, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful tips on optimizing your experience with Jira.